In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 6, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, hit consent, and to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Then select this gear at the top left corner, manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. By tapping on the top right corner, Then select the bottom right corner, hit Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Yes, select Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it by tapping on one of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!